Hi. What does momentum mean?
Sure. Here's the definition of momentum. The quantity of motion of a moving body measured as a product of its mass and velocity.
And the reason why momentum is so important in any situation in life, whether that is business, sports, or your personal life, it seems like it makes people and businesses unstoppable. And Samsung is trying really hard to keep up the momentum by releasing so many new products on August 11th. However, it remains to be seen if innovation has taken a back seat here. So what can we expect? Yes, the two of us, or maybe more, all of us. Okay, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, that folding device, comes with 12GB of RAM, Android 11 and Snapdragon 888, Snapdragon 888 processor inside. And we kind of notice it's kind of mandatory to have the internals upgraded, don't you think? What got me really excited is the possible appearance of an under-display camera when it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And that is certainly one way to differentiate yourself from the competition, but it is also cool as heck. And then we have leaks that suggest that we have a flat edge surface around the Galaxy Fold devices. And you know what? I really like to see this. However, it does remind me of an iPhone when I look at it. But it is what it is. Who cares? It looks cool. That's important. 120Hz displays also on the horizon. And then we have the S Pen support. And maybe this is what Samsung is going for rather than changing design, because looking at the latest leaks, you can see right here, it kind of looks like just before. It looks like it was in the older version, but it is cheaper. Starting price apparently comes in at $1,600 US. Okay, so let's conclude this foldable section here. We can also expect Galaxy Z Flip, Z Flip 3. That's on the horizon for sure. And I don't see any design changes apart from the bigger display on the front, obviously camera updates, and you have colors. This year seems to be the year of colors for many tech companies out there. We have beige, black, dark green, light purple, and all of this with a starting price of $1,250 US. And yes, you guessed it, it comes with a 888 Snapdragon inside. What a surprise. And the biggest change I can personally see at the Unpacked event so far is the new operating system, the new One UI for the Galaxy Watch lineup. And this merge, the merge of the Tizen operating system and the Wear OS, this is really what people are looking forward to. When I look at all the comment section across the videos, people are excited about this, and hopefully it is not a disappointment. And this, my friends, is a massive opportunity for Samsung to increase the momentum for smartwatches, or when it comes to smartwatches. Not sure about the design though, because when I look at it, I have to see it in real life. Looking at the pictures, it looks a bit like old-fashioned. I don't know. I have to see it in real life, but so far, so la la. What I do like is the 3 different options we have in terms of size. We have the 40, 44, and 46, and I like to have this option. This is something I always disliked about the Apple Watch because it looks so small on my wrist. I just have big wrist and big hands, so I do appreciate a big watch. And after all, the most expensive watches in the world are round, so there are basically round, so why not keep up this theme, right? And I do have a separate video out when it comes to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and you can see this here. But what I do know now is pricing, and I'm going to read this to you. So it will range from $350 to $550, and it ain't pretty in terms of pricing. And I don't think that is including LTE, because LTE usually increases the price also. So that is the price range you can look forward to, or maybe not, for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And the same can be said for the Galaxy Watch 4. Remove the Classic, just 4, and this is the former active version or active lineup, basically, if you were confused. There's probably so many people right now out there. And you can also expect this to be released on August 11th, but I do feel it is a kind of an afterthought, because I remember not long ago the Active 2 was really hyped by Samsung, and also it's loved by so many people out there. And I remember all the comments and all the videos we did about it, and you guys really loved the Active 2. So it's going to be good to see what is actually new apart from the One UI, and I'm afraid that's pretty much it. But what I also know, it comes in 2 different sizes. This is the sizes we already have for the Active 2 for the Galaxy Watch 4, and that is the 40 and 44. We also have a price increase. Yep, it's happening all the time. Let me read it. 350 to 400 euros. And again, ouch. So the Galaxy Buds 2 will also make an appearance on August 11th. I'm personally not that bothered about it, but I'm going to give you the prices here. I don't want to hold back on that. It's 149 USD to 169 USD, and you can see them here spinning around. You may have noticed I have switched currency during the video, and that is basically I want to be as accurate as possible. Some pricings are found online when even companies or resellers already publish these prices. Sometimes they are in euros and sometimes they are in US dollars. I'm glad we cleared this up. And yes, I have seen the rumors about the Tab S8 and the possible delay until 2022. And this, my friends, would really have a cycle, would make a cycle up to 18 months between the Tab S7 and the upcoming release of the Tab S8. And this is simply due to the chip shortage you have, the component shortage worldwide. And for some of you guys, I mean, actually getting a Tab S7 FE, the Fan Edition, was really a big procedure. I mean, I'm not sure if you wanted to really get one, but I can see people having trouble to find one or buying one, and this could also be the reason for that. So here I have a big but. I don't have a big but, I mean but. However, this could have a diminishing effect on Samsung's momentum they currently have. I don't see this really happening right now because you have the holiday quarter coming up, and that's probably one of the biggest queues, the biggest quarter for companies in general. And obviously if you don't have the components to physically assemble something, then it is what it is. But I believe there's something we can look forward to. I'm just not feeling it, and whilst I do not have proof, like really proof, something written down and I can show you, I don't know. I have a feeling that Samsung will release something, whether that be at the event or probably something in a smaller event. And I could bet, I could actually say, or my personal feeling is that it could be the Tab S8 Ultra, because when they do this, they could actually kill two birds with one stone by this big bang release. So they would just release the Tab S8 Ultra and the rest next year. And this would really be a smart move, and this could be a top-of-the-line release. The world hasn't seen anything like it before, and it could turn into a massive success. And here, I mean, not just a success in terms of what Samsung is bringing out, but a monetary success as well. As always, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. You know I'm interested. Until next time, I miss you. Peace out.